Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying English literature chapter number 5, Rupali Ba, an epitome of bravery. This is the story of Rupali Ba, a brave girl. She belonged to Rajasthan, but her ancestors came to Gujarat and settled there. Rupali Ba was a brave and courageous girl. She was newly married, living with her husband, and once she was going to her mother's house, her parents' house. But in those days, people didn't like to travel during night time. It was place the ways were so dangerous, not safe. So people generally kept traveled in the deserted places they traveled with the help of escorts, means guard protectors. Gemma was so their guards were in great demand. Gemma was such a famous guards. So when she was newly married, she was wearing a lot of jewelry, gold and silver. She was taking with her, and during night Gemma was so proud. He had become so famous protector. Now he becomes so proud that hearing his name, the robbers and thieves run away. So now he became so careless. He became so careless. Two bullock carts were going. In one bullock cart, Rupali Ba was sitting with all her jewelry of gold and silver, and in another bullock cart, Gemma was sitting. The whole day journey was continued, and at night, when night came, in the night also journey continued because there was not any inn. Inn means hotel, living place nearby. So during night also the journey continued. One page yesterday we have studied. Today I read the second page. Second page on from first page, last line, 29 page, last line. On the way, the overconfident Gemma went to sleep, forgetting his duty. Even the warnings of the driver of the cart and Rupali Ba had no effect on him, and he kept on sleeping. The caravan was attacked by a dozen of heavily armed robbers. Before Gemma could realize what had happened, he had been overpowered and tied up with rope and thrown out of the cart. Having got rid of Gemma, the robbers turned their attention to Rupali Ba. They asked her to give them all her belongings, including the ornaments she was wearing. The courageous Rupali Ba did not get panicked. She quietly removed her ornaments and started thinking of a way out. To distract their attention, she pushed out her feet from under the muslin cloth and asked the robbers to remove the heavy silver anklets she was wearing. While two of the robbers got busy removing her anklets, she gripped an iron rod with both her hands and hit the robbers hard on their heads. Two robbers died on the spot. Within seconds, Rupali Ba was out of her cart, determined to teach the robbers a lesson. She pounced on them, forgetting that she was a woman and her enemies were tough and cruel. She went for the robbers, hitting them right and left with the rod. So fierce was her attack that nobody could have believed that she was a girl of only 18. She fought like a true Rajput woman, brave and completely fearless. Having got rid of Gemma, the robbers had not expected such a strong resistance. They had put away their weapons and were completely taken by surprise when attacked by Rupali Ba. Rupali Ba took the best advantage of this opportunity and inflicted as many wounds as she could on the robbers. The robbers, snatching up their swords, attacked back. They hit Rupali Ba and wounded her seriously, but they could not shake her determination to fight bravely. The chief of the robbers decided to flee from the scene to save his life. With the chief gone, the other survivors of the gang were completely disheartened and fled. Gemma, who had managed to untie his hands and legs, was so ashamed of himself that he could never gather courage to show his face again. Second page, page number 30, I have read. Now I am going to tell you the story in simple language. Gemma was overconfident that no thieves or robbers will come to attack. He slept during night. He forgot his duty. He was also given warning by the driver of another cart and also Rupali Ba, but he did not pay attention. He was sleeping soundly. Just then at night, a dozen of robbers attacked the cart. Gemma could not realize what happened. All the robbers took him under control forcefully and tied him with a rope and threw him out of the cart. Now the robbers were free from Gemma. Now robbers came to Rupali Ba. They asked Rupali Ba to give all her belongings and jewelry to them, all the ornaments she was wearing. But Rupali Ba was a courageous and brave girl. She did not fear. She was not afraid at all. Silently, she removed all her ornaments and was thinking what to do. She was thinking what to do. Just then, she was wearing a heavy ornaments into her both anklets. That ornaments is called anklets, that is worn around ankles, below at the joint of lower leg and feet, ankle, that joint called anklets. She wanted to distract their attention, and she told the robbers to remove her anklets from her ankle. The robbers started to remove the anklets from her ankles. The robbers' head were down at Rupali Ba's ankles. Just then there was a iron rod beside Rupali Ba's. She took the rod, hold the rod with both her hands and hit the robbers very hard on their heads. So hard with both her hands, so forcefully, she hit the robbers that both the robbers fell down and died on the spot. Within seconds, just then, immediately after that, Rupali Ba came out of her cart. She wanted to teach them lesson. She wanted to teach all the robbers lesson. She forgot that she was a woman and started fighting with those robbers. Right and left with both her hands, with heavy rods, she started hitting very hard, forcefully to the robbers, both right and left. Her attack was so dangerous that no any robbers had thought that such a woman could be so brave and courageous. They did not think about that. They thought that she was not so fearful girls. The robbers thought that they had tied Gemma. Now they have not any fear. But seeing the courage and determination and fearlessness of this brave girl, all the robbers were panicked. They were so afraid, scared with that brave girl, Rupali Ba. And then the robbers started running away in fear. They started running away from there. Rupali Ba fought like a true Rajput woman, brave. She showed her great bravery and fearlessness. But Rupali Ba was also wounded. She was also wounded. Many wounds were on her body. All the robbers ran away. When the main robber, chief of the robbers ran away, then all the other robbers also ran away behind him. Now Gemma, till now he had untied his hands and legs, and now he was so ashamed. He was full of shame that he ran away from there and never returned. He never showed his face again. So students, that's all for today. Tomorrow in the next class, I'll finish the chapter and also we shall discuss the question answers. Thank you.